The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation.
All right. Chad, good morning. Good morning. How are we doing, bro? How are we doing today? Happy Monday, chat. Happy Monday. Nasdaq already off, trying to get to a bullish start here for the week. My goodness, what a bunch of buyers coming through here. Chat, hope you guys had a good weekend. Hope you guys had a good weekend. All right. Cherry 007, good morning. Mario, good morning, says not trading today, just hanging out. Yo, well, thank you for coming to hang out with me. Even if you're not trading, appreciate you just coming to hang out. Miss K's in the building and says, good morning, Jay and all. Don't forget to smash a like on the way in for a great day. That is absolutely correct. If you want to have a great day, you want to have a green day, be sure to smash that like button, man. Smash the like button with serious authority. It is a great way to start your morning. There's no better way to start your morning than to hit the like button as we're getting these buyers coming through, just trying to rip us higher here. Holy. Holy. Getting some buyers, chat. Let's check news real quick. What do we got? 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 Nothing. Not a thing. Not a single thing. Today, we don't have any news. Nada. Tomorrow. Not really anything tomorrow either. Wednesday. Just crude oil inventories on Wednesday. If you trade crude oil. Thursday. Nothing really Thursday either, bro. But Friday, Friday, chat. We have core CPI. Yeah, we got core CPI on Friday. Friday gonna be an absolute banger of a volatile day, hopefully. But really, like, we don't have any, like, outside of Friday, chat, we really don't have any news. None. Nada. Zip. Absolutely nothing. Redneck, good morning. Good morning. All right, let's take a look at some levels, chat. Let's take a look at some levels here. See what we can find, what we can spot. If there's anything that we can eyeball here. I do like, you know, probably gonna get a retest of 173, I'd imagine today, just given the fact that we're bullish, we're getting some buyers. 173 probably going to come into play, and obviously going to be watching up for like really higher pricing if we don't come down at all and we just continue to be bullish. Going to be watching for that higher pricing up in the 300s. But buyers are just in the building right now, so you can see on the overnight we had some bullish momentum. This morning we're getting it too. Absolutely crushing. Buyers are absolutely sending us. Bo, ayo, what's up, dude? How was your weekend? You ripping your lips this weekend? Jay Monet. Actually, no, I didn't do any fishing this weekend, bro. It was like we had storms all day yesterday, or not yesterday, Saturday. Saturday we had storms all day, so I didn't really do any fishing. And then Sunday was on the road for a little bit. On the road for a little bit. G-Man, good morning. Where's my phone, chat? Hold on. I gotta get my authentication code for this login. I requested a payout from TopStep and they declined it. What? In their defense, I don't have a TopStep account, but still kind of unfair. Oh, wait. Dude, honestly, you had me, bro. I was like, wait a minute. TopStep don't ever... I haven't heard of a decline payout from them in ages, bro. Yeah, you had me on that. You had me. Congratulations. Hope you feel good about yourself for tricking me on a Monday. Hope you feel good about yourself, Redneck. Yeah, you already know the deal. We already got the Celsius door dashed. The Celsius is door dash, chat. You already know the deal. My wife is in bed asleep, so I'm not gonna make her go get me one. So we're just gonna get it door dashed. Also, chat, I don't know how I feel about this. In fact, I know how I feel about this, and we're going to talk about it. It is 49 degrees outside right now. I woke up and it was like 67 in my house. Like we're actually have the heat on in the house right now. 49 degrees outside right now, dude. Not okay. It's just not okay, chat. Man, it doesn't even look like I'm going to do some fishing this weekend either, bro. It's going to be like rainy and it's going to be rainy all weekend. The hell? All right, we are kind of hovering up in these 137s, chat. We have no news today, so it's going to be a little bit of a weird one. Honestly, we have no news like all week until Friday. No news until Friday. Way better than 100 degrees. Yeah. Yeah, I'll take 49 over 100. Because I can keep adding layers. I can't keep taking off layers. How do you trade continuation in IB model and confirm in lower time frame? How do you trade continuation on the IB model and confirm on a lower time frame? Trading the IB, so like if you're going to trade continuations, the only thing you're really looking for is just balances off those levels, right? So you can do it on a 5 minute, you can do it on a 1 minute. Generally, I like 5 minute time frame on trading the initial balance. But I do like the 1 minute as well. So basically, if you're looking for a continuation, you just trade the breakout, right? So you're just waiting for, it's like this is initial balance high. You're just waiting for a move up, right? And then get a retest, right? You want a retest of that, whether it's on a 5 minute, a 1 minute, but you want to see strength here. You don't want to see it come back within and consolidate or move lower, right? You want to see strength right off the retest there. And so as soon as you see it start to balance and get that retest and get strength, you could take, you know, the long, the stop loss, you know, somewhere down here, whatever you wanted to do, and then catch the move to the upside. And then obviously vice versa to the downside on the IB low, right? All right, this is IB low. You want to see us break below IB low, whether on a 1 minute, 5 minute, whatever time frame you feel good with, and then get a retest of that. But what you don't want to see, if you want to play continuation to the downside, what you don't want to see is us get back within and show strength, right? Because then that's going to invalidate the trade. You want that retest here and then show more weakness, so you can then take the short, stop loss up in here somewhere and catch continuation down. You can add layers. Yep, 100%. Please put more on, Jay. Okay, it's too early. Isn't gold opening time 8:20? So IB is formed at 9:28. Is it 10 minutes before? That's weird. I don't know. Maybe. I don't really trade IB on gold, so maybe that'd be just if it has whatever the regular trading session hours are for gold. That's what I would look at. Shall we get about 14 minutes on market open? 14 minutes. If you haven't hit the like button, do me a favor, go ahead and smash that like button with Serious Story. Let's get the stream popping off on a great start here. Chat, check this out, dude. Hold on. Oh wait, hang on. Let me sign in on a different screen so you guys don't see all my shit. Hang on. Chat. These are my Tradify funded accounts. We are ready for payout, bro. We are ready for payout on these Tradify funded accounts. We got to pay out on Friday. We did it in 11 days. So these are ready to be requested for a payout. But here's the thing, chat. We're going to do it tomorrow live on Tradify's stream. All right, I go live on Tradify tomorrow morning. So we're going to request this payout tomorrow morning live on Tradify stream. It's going to be an absolute banger. Absolute banger, chat. We're gonna request this on Tradify stream tomorrow morning. Take a 10K payout, chat. We're taking 2K out of these. That'll leave us about 2,500 and drawdown on these accounts. But we're gonna take the full 10K, and the 10K is going straight into that personal account, baby. Holy, straight to the personal account. It's gonna be an absolute banger. Gold opens at 8:20 Central Time. What state? Good morning. What state are you in? Missouri. Missouri. Missouri, chat. I'm in the state of Missouri. Chat, how was y'all's weekend, dude? What'd y'all do? Before we get to market open here, what was y'all's weekend plans? What y'all have going on? Did y'all make any $1 million deals over the weekend? Any multi-million-dollar deals over the weekend? Kids training for their tournaments. Which tournaments? Bo says, my boy bought his first skateboard with his own money. Holy, you love to see it. Nice. Sick, Bo. That is sick. Ah, mixed martial arts. $11 minutes, that is correct. So we got about 10 minutes now. 10 minutes till market open, chat. Be patient today, bro. Be patient. It's Monday. There's no news. Just be absolutely patient today. There really is no rush. Nasdaq trying to go up and rip these highs right here. Nasdaq just bullish, bro. Nasdaq just got the buyers in the house. You can't open your charts? Are you on Project X? I think Project X has issues. I think Project X is down, chat. Buyers popping that high right there. Do we get continuation? Are we going to go up and see this 152, chat? 152. You were in a short? Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, I've been seeing Project X is down. What up, Yonix? How you doing? How you doing, bro? Or rejecting those highs up there. See what happens. What's it gonna be? Chat, are y'all bullish or bearish on the day? I am I got a bullish bias on the day. Just we're back in like this bullish range that buyers have been holding. It's been good for buyers, man. It's been good for buyers and the bulls. Bulls have been defending this level up here, so we are going to be watching for a little bit more bullish movement potentially this week. Granted, we don't have really any news until Friday, but we're going to be watching to see if we continue this bullish movement and hold these levels here. So not too bad, not too bad. Keeping the bullish bias, chat, because the market is just, it's extremely strong, man. It's extremely strong. Sellers have tried to bring us down. They've been unable to. They've failed multiple times. Any dip that we've had in the market has just gotten bought up. It's not been a good season to be sellers. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with Project X, chat. I know they're having some issues. I know they're having some serious issues, chat. I don't know. Carrie, good morning. We have about 5.5 minutes till market open, chat. I can feel the NAD starting to kick in. My brain's getting focused. Chat, oh, we're feeling good, baby. We're feeling good. Chat, if y'all haven't taken NAD, dog, y'all need to. Bro, I'm telling you, NAD is an absolute life hack. It's a brain hack. That's what it is, chat. It's a brain hack. Your brain just unlocks and you just become like this superhuman or something. I don't know. Five minutes. Chat, maybe potentially we even get like a dip and rip. I mean, we've been bullish, right? And so maybe we're out the open here. We get a little bit of a dip and then catch the dip and rip. We'll see. We will see. This will be a day to be absolutely patient, chat. Remember, there is no news. If you're trading today, wait for an absolute beautiful setup. Got about 3 minutes till market open, chat. 3 minutes. So far, rejecting those highs right there. A little bit of sellers coming through here. We'll see if sellers sustain this or if we, catch the bid back up here. We got about two minutes, chat. About 2 minutes till market open. You have a 1K TP set? Oh no. That's ballsy trading into the open, Bo. That's ballsy. That's ballsy. Can you not, are you in a trade right now? You're in a trade right now while Project X is down. Can you not exit your trade? Are you not able to exit? If your trade goes red on you and if your trade goes red on you and Project X is down, they'll make it. They should make it right. They'll probably take care of you. I imagine they'll fix everything for everybody. You can't even pull the charts. Yeah, I'm sure they'll make it right. I wouldn't worry about it. I mean, it's out of your control. And honestly, it's probably out of, well, it's out of Top Steps, not Project X. Project X got to get it together. Project X, dude, they always have issues. Like, I swear, it's like, it's all I hear is issues with Project X. Like, can we not get it together? You know what I mean? Like, I like Project X. I think it's a good platform. It's a great platform, honestly. I love the interface, how it's, the ease of use of it. Market's open, by the way, chat. Strong buyers popping up here. I love the ease of use of it, but man, it feels like it just has so much issues. And buyers are shredding us to the upside here. Holy. All right, G. And there's a nice little move to the upside here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Big old candle to the upside here, just screaming to the upside. Screaming to the upside, chat. Holy. My goodness. Buyers came in just absolutely just shredded higher, dude. Wow. From 114 all the way to 187 in a matter of 2 minutes. Is that a sign for the day, chat? Is that our sign for the day, that we are just going to be bullish and we're going to be looking for those longs? I'm already bullish on the day, and so seeing that kind of just adds to my bias for the day. Love the move to the upside. I love it, baby. Love it, love it, love it. Chat, do me a favor, if you haven't already, smash that like button, man. We got 16 likes, 25 people watching. We need to get the likes up on the stream. Also, remember, chat, we are doing a free masterclass in Discord this week. It is this week, chat, on the 24th at 7 p.m. Central Time. You are not going to want to miss this one. So if you are not in Discord, bro, there's a link in the description for you to join up. Highly encourage you guys to do that. The masterclass is going to be absolutely epic. Epic, epic, epic. Nice little move here. Still moving to the upside, just absolutely screaming. Nasdaq ready to rock and roll today. Just holy. We're in the 200s. Got into the 200s. Sheesh. Yes, I will, Bo. Yes, I will. Man, hella buyers, chat. Hella buyers. Hello, buyers, chat. Buyers coming through right out the gates. Oh, chat, my Celsius is here. BRB. 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 Oh, baby, we back. Holy chat, what we missed? Trader King, hello. Oh, look at these buyers, bro. Oh, that's tasty. That's tasty, chat. Good afternoon, says Cheddar King, and my response to you is good morning. Nasdaq's a moving train, bro. Nasdaq is a moving train. Got anybody long in this? Talk to me. Talk to me. Look at this thing. Dude, are we gonna go back to the 300s today? We might go back 300 shot. Grabbed a quick 15 points on NQ. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. GG's, baby. Holy 15 points. That's, hey, listen, that's a banger. That is a banger. An absolute heater. An absolute heater, baby. Holy 15 points. Listen, you love to see it. You love to see it, baby. Chat, I think we might be going back to 300s, bro. I mean, it just kind of feels that way. It just feels like we're going to 300s. Buyers are, listen, they got their rest over the weekend because they came in strong. They came in very, very strong. Would love to find an entry here on NQ to get long. Oh crap! I guess I'm taking the day off. I'm out of here to trade safe and dudes. All right, bro. Hey, listen, take the day off. I mean, Project X is down. Nothing you can do about it. Nothing you can do about it. Project X is down. Nothing you can do. I'm sure they will make it right for you. They generally do. They generally do, chat. Also, chat, we're only going to be trading our personal account today. We're not trading Tradify accounts. Our Tradify accounts are at payout, right? We're ready for a payout on these accounts. So we're going to be taking $10,000 payout, but we're doing it live tomorrow morning, chat. Tomorrow I'm going to be on Tradify stream. All right, tomorrow morning I will be on Tradify stream, and we're going to request this payout live on their stream. So we're not touching the Tradify accounts today. Only going to be trading the personal account that I have. And then, yeah, it's going to be an absolute banger. So we'll see what we can grab in the personal account today. And then tomorrow we'll get that payout from Tradify requested. We'll be able to trade those accounts again. We did reach the payout for the Tradify accounts on Friday. However, I wanted to wait. Like, I could have requested the payout on Friday, but I wanted to wait. I was like, man, it'd be cool to like request a payout on Tradify stream. That'd be dope. So I'm saving it. I'm saving it for Tradify stream. But we're requesting 10K, and it's all going straight to the personal account, baby. Straight into the personal account. Get a little bit of sellers coming through here. Little bit of sellers. Just a little bit. Chat, if you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button, bro. We are live every single day. We do giveaways pretty much twice a week at this point. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Catch the daily live streams, catch the giveaways, catch our duck races, the famous duck races, chat. It is an absolute hit on this channel. People love it. All right, getting some nice selling here. Nice little sellers here. We are at a bearish FEG. We may see some selling pressure. Maybe. I don't know. Nasdaq's pretty bullish today. Still learning futures and prop. Hooked by JM. Holy, I have absolutely hooked him. I got him addicted. He's hooked, chat. Tristan 124. Hey. How you doing? Hey. Just waiting for an entry here, chat. Letting the Nasdaq kind of do its thing here in the first few minutes it's been open. See if we get a good entry. I mean, that was potentially one right there. I was kind of waiting to see if we popped 178, so I was kind of waiting to see if we popped that. Then maybe look for a long, but we still could. We'll see. We will see, bro. Sup? So, dude. All right, buyer's still trying to hold this up here. Kind of just flagging out at the moment. We'll see if we do end up popping this. We get some movement below 180s here or so. Remember, it is a no news Monday. No news today. So we could see a little bit of weird PA. A little bit of weird PA, just given the fact there's no news event. We do have CPI on Friday, chat. On Friday, we got a big old news event. Really nothing until Friday. You know what I mean? We really have no news until Friday. And that's when the big news comes out, chat. The big news. The slap your mama in the face news. The slap your whole trading account news. The pull out the credit card and buy up the reset type news. All right, we are getting some selling coming in here, potentially. Trying to move below those 180s. I do like any entry below that for longs, if we do get a pop below those 180s here. We are catching an early bid. Early bid. Didn't quite get below those 180s. Didn't quite get that, but we still could. I mean, we are trying to catch a little bit of a bid here. We could take it and just have a stop at the below 182 there. But we'll probably let it ride. We'll probably let it ride. I don't want to force anything today. Buyers look good though. Buyers look good. Chat, if you are joining the Tradeify tournament, be sure to use code JM. Join my team, bro. Join my team in the Tradeify tournament. We have some absolute heavy hitters. It's going to be a banger of a tournament, bro. Join my team. Join up. We are going to light that thing up, baby. Absolutely light it up. Also, we are, speaking of Tradeify chat, we are doing a giveaway right now for Tradeify. If you use code JM at Tradeify, all you gotta do is send me a screenshot in Discord. Send me a screenshot of you using code JM at Tradeify. That'll enter you for a 150K straight to funded account, bro. 150K straight to funded account. If you use code JM at Tradeify and send me a screenshot, that'll enter you for the giveaway that we run monthly. Holy. Buyers trying to run this thing back up here. Buyers trying to run her straight back up. Probably get back up to 225s. Be looking at these 300s, bro. I mean, we might be targeting 300s today, chat. We very well could be. I mean, we've broken some key levels here. So 300s, I don't think is too far out of sight today. As long as obviously, chat, as long as buyers can hold their strength. As long as buyers can keep it together. We'll see though. We will absolutely see. A little bit of a battle here in the 200s, so definitely a battle in the 200s here. Man, you guys are on the like button today, chat. We got 35 people watching, 30 likes already. Y'all are on the like button today, bro. I love it. I love it. I love it. Appreciate you guys, man. There's a strength. Yeah, chat. I mean, we missed it, bro. I mean, we wanted to move below 180s before we thought about entering along, but that's okay. It's all right. On to the next. On to the next, bro. Today's gonna be a patient one. An absolute patient day. We're only trading our personal account today, so we want to make sure that we take only the A+ setups that we can take. We don't want to do anything stupid in a personal account. We don't want to do anything stupid, chat. Sosa. Hi. Hey. How you doing? Wonderful weather we're having. Chat, I don't know about you guys, bro, but I can't do small talk. Like I don't know what y'all's thoughts are, but when somebody's like, "How you doing, bro? What's been new? How's life?" Like I can't do like small talk makes me cringe. I can't. Like if we face to face and we in person, bro, we got to talk about something meaningful or something big or something, right? The small talk I just can't do. It makes me cringe. I don't know about you guys. Like I'm not gonna ask you how's your day, bro. There's nothing meaningful out of that. I don't like, to be honest, this sounds harsh. I don't care. Like, let's talk about something meaningful, big. Can't do small talk. Three White Soldiers on hourly bullish. We'll see if those soldiers hold the front line, baby. Holy. Holy. Yeah, I mean, the Nasdaq, I mean, the market's just bullish, bro. It really is. What's the ES doing? Take a look. Yeah, I mean, ES, bullish. Check gold out here. Gold on an absolute just ripper as well. Wow, gold really ripping. Gold is really ripping. Jesus Christ. Chow, I would love if I could get like a nice healthy pullback on gold. I mean, hell, like even in like the lower 4,000s, like 4,100. Like I would start loading up swing accounts, bro. I would. I would start loading up swing accounts for gold, but I just can't, like, I don't want to load up a position in these price levels. Just doesn't feel good. Big talk only. I like that. Forget small talk. Big talk only, bro. 100%. We are getting some decent buying still coming through here. Decent buying coming through here, chat. We'll see if they hold or if we start to reject a little bit. It's gonna be a tug of war up here, man. It's gonna be a tug of war up here. We had such a big move right out the gate on the open. Now it's just a matter of buyers can sustain us here at these levels. Can they keep us at the level, bro? Chat, ask yourself one question, bro. Are you guys subbed to the channel? If you're not, let's fix it. Let's absolutely fix it. Buyers still moving us higher here. Ugh. Now it's kind of getting choppy up here, chat. Now it's kind of getting choppy up here. Oh my. Oh my. Ruh-roh. That was some odd selling there. Very odd. That was a very odd 1 minute count. That was 40 points. That was 40 points on 1 minute there. Wait for FOMO trades and pull it back. I like it. I like it a lot. Retested those 200s almost. Get on a 202. A lot of chop here. A lot of chop. Can we pull it back down below those 180s, or are we going to continue to see these higher pricings? I mean, honestly, as strong as the Nasdaq is, any dips could be good buying opportunities. Kind of chopping around up here. Could be a good buying opportunity, but I don't want to long where we are. I really want to see lower pricing before I consider any of that. Could be a patient day, chat. Patient day. Sellers are trying to step in a little bit and bring us down, but I'm not really convinced, chat. This is kind of gross up here. We're trying to get back up there. What's this high here? Is it 240? Yeah, 240. X platform down again. Yeah, I saw Project X is down right now. If you guys got screwed over by Project X being down, I'm sure whatever firm you're with will make it right. They generally do. So if you only trade Project X, I would just call it a day, to be honest. Call it a day, bro. If you only trade Project X. Fiera. Hey, hey. What's up? How you doing? How you doing, bro? How you doing? How you doing? All right, G. BRB again, huh? Huh? Shit, G, where you going, bro? Where you going, G, man? G, if you got another work call, bro, you better get your priorities straight. I'm more important than your work. I'm more important, G, man. I will call your boss. Fiera, doing great, brother. Had a loss today and stopped for the day. Had no emotion while entering, during, and after the trade. Felt good. Holy chat, if you can feel good about your red days, you are absolutely turning the corner on your trading, bro. You are. You're absolutely turning the corner on your trading. If you can feel good about them, you love it. You love it. You love it. You love it. How are you? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. We're only trading the personal account today. My TradeFi accounts are pretty much locked up. We got to a payout on these accounts, so we're requesting the payout tomorrow morning on TradeFi stream. So we're not trading these accounts today. Only trading my personal account and seeing what we can get on it. Sellers trying to come back through here on the Nasdaq is getting kind of interesting up here. Getting kind of interesting up here, chat. I mean, it's kind of just a chop fest in these 200 to 220s. Big old chop fest. And buyers bias right back up. I mean, it is an absolute chop fest, chat. Holy. Our buyer is going to sustain it this time. You wish TradeFi would let you switch to TradeAvate? Yeah, I don't think they will. All right, there's another move above those highs. Are we just gonna keep sending it, bro? Are we just gonna keep sending it? Man, it is disgusting up here. It is absolutely gross up here. Gave X another chance after nearly a year, and what a mistake. I mean, it has its issues. It has more issues than, more often than not, it feels like. More often than not. We are still just in this tug of war up here. Like, are we gonna go higher? Are we gonna reject all this? Like, Nasdaq, what are we doing? What are we doing, Nasdaq? I don't necessarily love the PA right here. I don't love it, chat. I got no love for it. Trying to get the move higher again here. Here we go. Trying to get another move higher. Trying to get another move higher. Holy. Holy. I mean, do we just slow grind today, chat? What are we doing? We might just slow grind all day. I don't love the constant pushes higher than the drops. Like it just doesn't feel very clean, you know what I mean? Is it gonna make another move higher here? Continuing to make new highs on the day. Nasdaq just on an absolute ripper. That just doesn't feel very clean. Like looking at the 1 minute here, chat, there's just a lot of wicks. A lot of wicks on the 1 minute. Doesn't feel like a very clean move up. How are you guys managing this, bro? Are y'all long in this? Are y'all in longs today? How you guys doing? Took a 1 hour loss, long got wicked, then longed again for a 2 hour net. Nice. There you go. There you go. You're only trading 4x, sadly. Oof. Never really traded 4x. Chris Parker, long at 223. Nice. Good trade. Good trade. Looking very, very good. Very good. Looking very good. 2 minutes has good structure. There you go. Might need to go to a longer time frame, actually. What's 5 minute look like? 5 minutes not bad. 5 minute got, you know, still kind of wicky, but looks better than the 1 minute because holy, 1 minute's just wicks all over the place. Wiki, 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 chat. Holy. Oh, wait a minute. It's not just Project X, chat. There's a like a handful of sites that are down. Snapchat, Zoom, Roblox, Clash Royale, MyFitnessPal, Live360, Clash of Clans, Fortnite, Canva, Wordle, Signal, Coinbase, Duolingo, Slack, Smartsheet, Rocket. Everything's down. Thousands of bank outages. There was a lot. There was a lot that was down. It might already be fixed though. Elon posted X works. That's great. Elon's the biggest troll, bro. He really is the biggest troll. That's funny. I find entries on the 5-minute, but use the 15 to 30 to dictate when to find an entry. Long story short, I'm a boring guy. Hey, listen, boring is profitable, baby. Boring is possible. Possible? Joey, fucking English? Holy. Boring is profitable. I have seen no entries yet. I mean, listen, if you haven't seen an entry, you haven't seen an entry. I mean, I don't. We're slow grinding up here. I just don't love the PA on the grind up. It's kind of just slow and wiki. Bezos tripped the cord. He really did. Bezos, he pulled the plug, bro. Bezos said, hey, listen, let me pull the plug. Freak everybody out on a Monday. Make sure everybody has a really real Monday. Let the Monday be Mondaying. When we started. All right, are the sellers going to come through this time, or are they going to just get bought up per usual? $1 million question there. Absolute $1 million question. Sellers trying to step in here. We'll see if they hold. I mean, they've tried to step in multiple times and they just gotten bought up. So we'll see if these sellers can hold their nerve on this. So far, they are trying to. Decent sellers coming in right here. Are they gonna hold, chat? Are the sellers gonna hold? Do I still do any back testing just to train? I do it kind of differently than most. I don't really like back test like the traditional way. Where I like go back and take entries. Like I go back and just see how many times like, you know, a certain strategy worked. Like I'll go look at key levels and then see where price went and then see if it played out the way my strategy plays out. Like I don't necessarily take the trades. in a back testing session, but I'll go back and read the charts and be like, okay, so yeah, price did pull back at those levels. It did drop below this. My strategy did play out the way I saw it playing. So that's generally what I'll do. But that's pretty much the extent of it. Everybody has their own kind of form of back testing. But I definitely recommend like going back and looking at, you know, past price action and seeing if your strategy played out, or if you know, you need to make adjustments or whatever it may be. But definitely recommend. Sellers picking back up here. Sellers picking back up. Are they gonna hold? They're trying to get a little bit aggressive, chat. Trying to get a little bit aggressive. Getting bought up a little bit here. $188 entry for you longs. I like that. I mean, I think that's a good location. To be honest, I like a flush below the 180s to then catch, but yeah, I like the general area for sure. I like it. See, these sellers can hang on. Can they hang on, baby? Buyers trying to defend this level here. We'll see just how resilient sellers can be. Overall, chat, this is just choppy as fuck. I mean, it is choppy, bro. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Not recommended PA, bro. Not recommended PA. It's not recommended. I mean, let's look at the wick action, dude. I mean, it's just crazy. The wick action is just absolutely crazy today. I mean, that's just dirty. It's all just dirty. 130 is my first mark, but that's below trend lines to my head. It invalidates the bullish trend. Nice. Kind of glad I took the day off. Yeah, today is a great day to take off, honestly. I mean, it is just choppy. I mean, yeah, we've had like a slow grind up, but look at the wicks, chat. I mean, the wicks are just disgusting. Very bad. I mean, I guess, you know, to be expected, right? It's a Monday. There's no news. The biggest of news isn't until later this week. So I guess to be expected, you know what I mean? And now we're catching this mega buy up. Holy. Chat, what do you do with it, bro? What do you do with it? My goodness, what a freaking bid. New acquaintance, what are your hobbies? What do you like to do? Me, I watch color lines and things while I talk to myself. Facts. Fact, I stare at a screen and watch green and red candles go up and down. And I click buy and sell. That's what I do. I watch green sticks go up and green and red sticks go up and down. This is one filthy move, chat. Filthy. I'm just winging longs and some non-serious evals. I feel that. I feel it. Oh, we're gonna go pop these highs. Make some new ones. Make some new highs. Trying to. If this rejects here and comes all the way back down, chat, I'm shutting the screens off. Like, it's gonna be filthy. Absolutely filthy, bro. Holy. Filthy, bro. Filthy, filthy, filthy. Really, chat, I hope you guys aren't getting chopped up in this. I mean, yeah, we're like trending upwards. We had a nice movement to the upside, but it is not clean at all. At all, bro. So I hope you guys are trading this safely. How many folks are registered for the masterclass, boss? Maybe we hear some good advice instead of trading now. Yeah, you guys, if you aren't in Discord, we are doing that masterclass. That's a good reminder, Amara. We are doing a masterclass on Friday, going over a killer strategy that I've been testing out. So be sure to hop in Discord. On the 24th for Friday. Each candle is 30 plus. You can scalp this. Yeah, I mean, we're moving up. I'm not saying like we're not getting like any movement in these candles. I mean, this candle here, that candle is 14. It depends on what candle you're looking at too, right? This candle is probably close to 30. That's 20 points. 21 points. This candle is probably 30. Yeah. So some candles are 20, some are 30, some are, you know, less, but it's just like, it's the wicks, right? It's the non-clean movement that we're seeing out of all of this, right? That's what's kind of annoying. It's just not, it's not clean. But yeah, you can 100% scalp this. I'm just not doing it in a personal account. Like, this is not PA that I would trade my own funds in. You know what I mean? What time? It'd be 7 p.m. Central Time. 7 p.m. Central Time, bro. It's gonna be an absolute banger. It's gonna be a heater, chat. An absolute heater. Wow, look at buyers. We popped those highs and then we just said fuck it to the moon. We are going to those 300s, chat. We are going to the 300s. Three hundos looking good. Market been on one, switching to combine this week. Want to protect my XFAs. I did listen. I hear you. I hear you. I 100% hear you. I mean, in theory, like, you could have taken that long. You know what I mean? Like, you could have saw, you know, those aggressive buyers coming in right here. You know, caught it along off a pullback. I mean, you could have taken that. Could have been a good long with some tight risk. Just not. It's not what I would want to trade my own funds on. Like, I would definitely be only trading prop today, just given the context of the price action. It's bullish. We are getting a move up. We are moving higher. So it's not that we're not getting a move. It's just how clean the move is. And I just, on non-clean PA, it's not, I don't really trust trading my own funds. So definitely trade props if you are trading today. Maybe even size down. Maybe even trade some combines, some evals or whatever. Don't feel like you have to make $1,000 a day. Let's see, how big's our range today? Take a look. It's probably pretty big. Why is this not working? See, our IB range is 168. So our initial balance range, chat, is 168 points. So I mean, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. That's a good, I mean, a good move. Risk management is key on pros. I like to aim for $100. Anything more is just a plus. Nice. Yeah, I think it just depends on like what size prop firms, what size accounts you trade. 50Ks, I mean, yeah, $100 is nice. It's really good. Kind of just depends. I mean, it could just be a slow grind up day, chat. Might just slow grind all day. I don't know how I feel about a failure of IB high here, on whether or not we, you know, get a flush above IB high and then fail it, or if we just get a flush, consolidate, retest it, and send it again. I don't know. I don't know. You have 400k express total. Wait, 400k express total balance 30k this month. Nice. Took advantage of this crazy action this month. Now it's time to go back to reality. I hear you. I hear you. Congrats. That's good profit for this month. Good profit for the month. Just gonna be like I don't know, just like this week just feels like we're gonna have to be very patient this week, you know what I mean? Because like we have big news Friday and nothing until then, right? And so it just feels like it's gonna be one of those weeks where you just have to be just very patient and let the market kind of do its thing, let it play out, and take whatever opportunity the market gives you. But really just waiting for like that one good setup, chat, you know what I mean? Waiting for that one good setup that you can feel good about and take, when PA may not be the best. All right, right now we are trying to reject that IB high. A little bit of rejection there. Chat, let's get some P&Ls in the chat, bro. If y'all have traded this, let's see some P&Ls. What do you guys have? Talk to me. Let's see those P&Ls, baby. P&Ls. Tell us more about the cash account giveaway. Brian, giving away no cash account. What you mean, bro? What you mean, big dog? Ain't no way. Ain't no way. I'll give you prop accounts, but I ain't giving away no cash account, bro. You crazy. You crazy. Veronica. Past eval in 30 minutes. Holy, you love to see it. Up a little over 450. Nice, Venture. Nice. He tried it. He really did. He shot for the moon on that one. He shot for the moon on that one, baby. Holy. Ain't no way, playa. Ain't no way. Yeah, chat. I'm going to grow my personal account to over 100K. And then I'm going to do a giveaway for it. Just to give it away. So whoever wins the giveaway gets a personal account worth 100K. Can you imagine, dude? Can you imagine winning that? Someone doing a personal trading account worth 100K. And you end up winning that? That's crazy. That'd be crazy. Ain't no way I'm ever doing that. But that would be insane. That would be wild, chat. Jay would make you play the Squid Games for it? Yo, I might. I mean, yeah, that would be essentially it. I mean, if you're competing for $100,000 personal account, like, yeah, you're gonna go through it, bro. I'm gonna put y'all through the ringer. Put y'all through the absolute ringer. $365 duck race? Exactly. Calling me daddy the whole time? Probably. Dang, can you imagine 365-day duck race, bro? Oh, chat, we need to do an all stream duck race. So like for Friday, when we give away a straight to funded account on Friday, I think we do a duck race and like for the entire stream. I think we do it. We might do that, chat. We might do it. We may have to like have people enter it the day before. You know what I mean? So you might have to enter it the day before. That way we can have all the names signed up for it. And then we run the duck race the entire day. For the entire stream. Like 2 hours. We run it for 2 hours. I think we're going to. We're going to do it, chat. So on Thursday, y'all have to be sure you're here for Thursday streams. That way you guys can sign up for the duck race Friday. That sounds horrible. The suspense. An endurance duck race? Yes. It would be definitely be an endurance duck race. Bots will hate it. Yes, they will. We'll think about it. We may do it. We may do it. We may not. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We got all week to decide. We got all week, bro. But I do want to do something like it's like a longer duck race because they are fun. Nasdaq still just pushing higher. Nasdaq still pushing higher, chat. It's just not slowing down. Have not taken a trade yet. We are still flat in the personal account, which I'm not mad at because I mean it's not been the best move up, but we're still flat. Miss K has asked, has everyone hit the like button yet? Chat, if you haven't hit the like button, what are you even doing, brother? Holy. What are you even doing? If you have not hit the like button, that's a crime. That's a felony, chat. If you haven't hit the like button on the stream, that is an absolute felony. It's criminal. It's absolutely criminal. Also, chat, we're almost at 8,400 subscribers. We're about 20 off from 8,400. So if you're not already subbed, be sure to hit that subscribe button, bro. Live every day, giveaways twice a week. Everything you could want and dream of. And plus, you can see the best looking bald guy on the internet. There's that, chat. You get to see the best looking bald guy on the internet. Chat, we gotta hit chest in the gym today. Chest and triceps. You had to run with that, Jay? Wait. You had to run it with that, Jay. Yes, I had to run it with that. I absolutely did. You're absolutely correct. Oh. Chat, we got to the gym today. The problem is it's so cold outside, bro. I don't want to step outside. I don't want to be outside today. It's cold. I don't like cold, bro. My wife and I were talking, dude. We might like, chat, in February, we might go spend a month in Florida. I'm not going to lie. We might do it. In February, we might be in South Florida for the month. Because that's like the coldest like time here in Missouri. And so we might try to get away from the cold for a month and come back in March when we have like a little bit warmer weather. So we might be gone for a month, or we might be in South Florida for a month in February. Who's going to carry the boats? Oh, the boat's going to stay here. But we might be, shoot, we might come down and stay in like Pompano for a month. In February. What part of Missouri are you from? Springfield. $167 for 30 days is 5,010 times 4 to the XFAs. Everyone lock in. We have 50 trading days left this year. Holy. Game Boy with the absolute millionaire mindset. Holy. Holy. You're an STL. Nice. Old St. Louis. I don't know if you're a baseball fan, but Cardinals suck. They absolutely did horrible this year. Like The Simpsons, Springfield, Missouri. I don't know. Never really watched The Simpsons, to be honest. Never really watched them. Chat, is Project X still down? Who's for all the Project X traders? Are they still having issues? Is there still a Project X outage? Yes, I'm not touching anything right now. They might not restore any XFA balances. I'm sure they will. I mean, this is completely out of their control. I'm sure they will. I highly doubt it. If they don't, they have a serious problem. But I can almost guarantee they will help and restore balances if anybody lost anything during the outage. Like, that would be unethical if they didn't. Some great fishing in Florida. May want to reconsider taking the boat along for the ride. Where would I go fishing in Pompano? Other than, I mean, I'm not gonna take my boat on the ocean. But yeah, I mean, that is a good call. Like, maybe a good idea to take the boat. Chat, when do the clocks get set back? Isn't it like, isn't that in like a couple weeks? When does the clock get set back? Anybody know? November 2nd. So yeah, a couple weeks, right? Or yeah, roughly. Next Sunday? Okay. Next Sunday, bro. It's gonna be dark at like 5 o'clock, chat. I'm not happy about that. Like, dark at 5, bro? That just sounds gross. You know what I mean? Like, that takes out the evening fishing for me. I mean, I could do night fishing, but that's fine. Which I probably will do, to be honest. Do some bass fishing at night. Yeah, that just sounds gross, brother. I don't even know why time change is even a thing. Like, who thought, let's change the time? I don't get it, bro. I don't understand why it's even a real thing. I'm pretty sure like they tried to get rid of time change, didn't they? Didn't they try to get rid of it? Hang on, Jack. Give me a second. All right. Nasdaq still is just absolutely just slow grinding the upside here, chat. It's kind of crazy. 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 Are we still going to continue just ripping the upside, chat? I mean, looking like it. Nasdaq just not absolutely not slowing down. Reason I'm not trading it is because I'm building my oldest a PC while she's at school. It's a surprise. Oh, let's go. I mean, it's not, listen, it's not a bad day to not trade, right? I mean, are we moving up? Sure, like we are getting a move up, but to be honest, even on this move up, it doesn't feel like you're like missing much. Doesn't feel like you're missing a whole lot, even though we are getting a move up higher. Yeah, hey Mario, you want to build me a PC, dude? Who's the singer? What's the playlist? It's fire. I've built a playlist in like YouTube, like YouTube's music library for creators, just so that way I don't get flagged for like copyright. Like I'm using music straight from YouTube's playlist, and I can like search and build and build whatever playlist I want for the type of music. I need to go through and add more songs on here. I'm trying to build out a big playlist, that way I can just let it play the whole time. But this is just like a song from YouTube. It's called Control by Jex and Rival. But I need to go through today and like find some new songs to add to the playlist. The S&P has gained $500 billion in market cap today, chat. S&P just, yeah, I mean, it's moving. Everything's moving. What's gold doing? Gold saw that initial rip and it's kind of just been consolidating. I haven't looked at YM yet. YM is nice and bullish. Mario, I guess you may have missed a move on YM. YM got a nice little rip, but kinda. I don't know. Mario's kind of weird today, chat. I don't like it. Do you have a micro center next to you? Maybe. I don't know. Hold on. Let's see. Micro center. Yeah, not one that's like near me. I think the closest one's like St. Louis or something. Is it St. Louis? Let's see. Yeah, I think the closest one is like near St. Louis for me. It's about 3 hours. G-Man's back. G-Man, listen, I'm assuming you had to leave because of work. Bro, I need you to get your priorities straight. All right. I need you to get your priorities straight. Being here is more important than your job. I'm more important, G-Man, okay? Nice, Miss K. Is a micro center? I've never been to a micro center. I don't even know what they are, to be honest. What is this micro center you speak of? I need to know, chat. I need to know. G-Man, I'm gonna call your boss and tell your boss, be like, look, when I'm live on YouTube, G-Man needs to be excused from work. These ads, chat, I'll turn off ads. I'll turn them off. I don't really need them on anyways. Wait, I don't know if can I turn them off? I'll turn off the ads. I'll turn them off for tomorrow. I can't turn them off now because I'm already live. But tomorrow, I'll turn off all the ads. Or I'll turn off monetization because that's why the ads are on. I don't really need them on. So I'll do you guys a favor. Turn them off. All right, sellers trying one more time to bring us down here. See if they can do it. So generous, Jay. I could be nice sometimes. I can be nice sometimes. Get Ghostry stops the ads. I mean, I could just turn them off. You could also just get like premium too, YouTube premium, and that'll shut off all ads. I don't know how much it is though. I don't know how much it is. Jay, I'm doing this on purpose. Are you really getting that many ads, bro? I don't. How do I turn it? Hold on. Stream settings. You're about to ban me. Hold on. I can't turn them off while I'm live. I'm sorry. I don't mean it, chat. I promise. I promise I don't mean it. Overbought as hell. If I was in my gambler era, I'd short to 130, then reverse out. I hear you. I really hear you on that. I'm just staying out of it. Okay, chat. I'm sorry. I will turn off ads for tomorrow's stream or this afternoon stream. When we go live this afternoon, I'll turn off ads. Promise. I promise, bro. Don't hate me. Don't hate me, chat. Holy. Chat, wait, who, are there earnings soon? Hold on. We got some tech earnings, don't we? Yeah, we do. We got Tesla. Tesla earnings. Netflix earnings. Tesla earnings are going to be interesting. Netflix and Tesla. Holy. Holy, chat. Tesla auctions are going to be expensive? Probably. Probably so. What's Tesla even trading at, chat? Hold on, let's take a look. What are we at right now? Wait. How's Tesla looking? Been on somewhat of a run. I mean, yeah, it's been on a run, all right. Tesla up at 440s. Yeah, Tesla been on an absolute ripper. Pretty much everything been on a ripper, though, if you think about it. The whole market been on a rip. Look at 5 minute on the NQ, bro. Just straight up. Straight up. My son, his his account is loaded with Nvidia, and Nvidia's been on a nice little run. So my son's account is sitting nicely, totally sitting absolutely nice. Chat, we're just slow grinding up here. I mean, I'm not really getting much of an entry. The one good entry would have been anywhere in here, but up here, I don't really love it. Where does one sign up for the JAM adoption list? I'll adopt you, redneck. It's okay. My kid's account has a few tech. Nice. X can restore my balance, but not my trust. And Wall Street, I will say, in defense of Project X, this is not just a Project X issue. This is a worldwide, like, there's several sites that are down. It's not a Project X issue. This is kind of out of their control. I mean, everything was down. Like, Slack was down. Other big apps and big sites were down. Like, it's a whole worldwide thing. So technically, it wasn't Project X. What was it, chat? Was AWS? Was that what it was? Is that what it was called? So I'll defend Project X a little bit just because it wasn't their fault. You know what Tradeovate is up? Yeah, because Tradeovate, I guess, runs on a different server than, or something different than AWS or whatever. I don't know. I don't know the whole tech thing, to be honest. I just know it's AWS, and whatever sites are affiliate or with AWS are going to be down. That's all I know. That's all I know. Missing your entry is like missing your train. Now here I am standing at the train station wondering what I'm going to do with all this luggage. And where can I get a good burger and beer? I hear you. I really do. I understand what you're saying. I'm with you on that. I mean, I miss it. I didn't take any of these longs here just because I wasn't feeling good about the PA. And I'm trading a personal account, not my prop firm account, chat, because my prop firm accounts are due for payout. And we're requesting it tomorrow, chat. You can see it right here. 10K payout coming tomorrow. But this PA, I don't feel good about trading my personal account on, so I might just set it out. At least for the morning. At least for the morning, chat. Sellers trying to come back through here. Maybe we could get a little retest of IB high. Another 10K, or it's hitting the bank. So I got to pay out last week on these TradeFi accounts. I haven't requested it yet. I'm requesting it tomorrow morning on the TradeFi stream. But Yeah, it's just a 10K and it's not even going to the bank. It's going straight to my personal account. I'm putting it all in the personal. Any prop firm payouts I get go straight in the personal. Because we're taking it to 100K, baby. Taking it to 100K. And then we're going to start a swing trading account, chat. Then we're going to start a swing trading account for futures. And we're going to start swinging like gold and heck and all this stuff. You know what I mean? And then cash account giveaway? No. No. Not a chance. Not a chance, brother. I mean, it was worth a shot. You tried hard, Redneck. You really did. I respect the effort. You know? I really do. I respect the effort. Just try harder. Joey, how much buffer to make for a 100K account? And then after buffer, how much can we withdraw? What becomes how permanent max drawdown level? Hold on. How much buffer to make for 100K accounts? So for the Tradify accounts, it's depending on if you do straight to funded or eval. I mean, it's different, but for the eval, so if you do the evals and get to a funded level, it's 4,500. All right, that's when you get to a payout. And so the buffer stops when you hit when you profit whatever your max loss is. All right, so then that's your buffer. On the 100K accounts, you can withdraw $2,000 per account. But then keep in mind that if you get to 4,500 of profit, then you have about $2,500 from profit left in the account before, if you lose that, then it's blown. Now, if you do straight to funded, you have to make $6,000, right? In the 100Ks. So if you make $6,000 in the 100Ks, then you get a payout. You can request 2K, or I believe is what it is, 2K, and then you're, back to 4,000, which you have a larger buffer. So just hopefully that makes sense. You'll sit and wait for a better opportunity to try again. I like it. Are evals tax deductible? I'd recommend talking to a CPA on that. I give them to my accountant, but I'd recommend talking to, I don't know. I give my accountant everything that I have and he does his thing. So, I would talk to a CPA. Hopefully that made sense, Carrie. Hopefully I answered your question. Do you prepare Apex? What do you mean prepare? Do I trade Apex? I have accounts, yeah. Oh, prefer. No, I prefer Tradify. Tradify is my go-to. Tradify is my go-to. Same. You give it to your CPA and say, figure it out. Yep. Same. Same. Let me know if you end up in jail. Why would I end up in jail? That's what an accountant's for. They do it all. Sure, if I about to launch crypto futures, they listen. I think crypto futures need to be involved. I really do. I like the idea. I like the idea of being able to trade futures through props. I think it needs to be a thing. I'm surprised it's not already a thing. I mean, there is a crypto prop firm, I believe, already. I think you're gonna see more and more of them, chat. I think it's gonna be really start to become kind of a big thing. It's gonna be the next big shiny thing, chat. It really will be. Any giveaway today? Not today. I would be pissed if I go to jail for that, considering I had to pay last year. He got me a ton of deductions, though. I mean, yeah, you just gotta get a good CPA. Gotta get one that knows what they're doing and knows how to find all the gaps, the holes, and the deductions. You know. You know. KuCoin was great. Never even traded it. I haven't really traded crypto. I'm not a big crypto. Like I think that like we need a way to trade crypto in the prop firm space more like directly. But I don't know much about crypto. Like I never really bought into it or bought any and held it and whatever. Like I traded it here and there, but I never really put anything into crypto. So I missed it all. I missed the train on that. I missed it. Your CPA trades and invests. Okay, so he knows what he's doing. Homie knows what he's doing. That's what matters. What's my take on gold? Bullish. Buy until proven otherwise. I mean, we're just constantly just ripping on gold, bro. Constantly ripping. You could close your eyes, hit the buy button, and just sit on it and make money. Like, you really could. It's kind of crazy, to be honest. Absolutely crazy. Volume decreasing drastically though. Yeah, I mean, at some point it's going to, right? It's gonna go up until everyone's sick of it going up. It's really how it is. I think eventually there will be a healthy pullback on gold. There will be something that'll pull us back. Eventually. Look at Apple. Oops. Holy. Apple absolutely flying. That is crazy. Absolutely flying, bro. So waiting for your entry. I'd be waiting for a long time. Might be waiting for a while, bro. Holy. Man, volume is dying, chat. I mean, it's kind of just slowing down. You can see it, bro. We are just kind of dying out up here. We may call it a morning. Call it a morning, chat, and be back later this afternoon, chat. I think that's what we're gonna do. We've been live for 2.5 hours. We might call it a morning. Come back this afternoon. No trades in the personal account today, chat. So far, we'll see what the afternoon brings, but so far we're flat. No trades. I think we're gonna call it there, chat. We'll be back this afternoon. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to catch a live stream later on today. We'll be live, hanging out, having a total vibe. And then, yeah, hit that subscribe button. Remember, use code JM with Tradify. If you do, send me a screenshot. It'll enter you for a giveaway for 150K straight to funded account. So be sure to do that. Hit Discord up. Remember, we're doing the masterclass October 24th this Friday at 7 p.m. So join Discord to catch the masterclass. It's gonna be absolutely free. A good time, chat. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, good rest of your morning. I will see you guys here in just a couple hours, honestly, chat. See you soon. Peace.